Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update where I give you information about what's going on in the local Milpitas real estate market, and we'll talk about on my open house we just had this weekend and about a few more that are just coming up this month. So let's dive into the open house. It was at the 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on Charleston Way in Fremont. The price is $1,398,888. Despite the rain on Saturday, we had 11 families come through. And then Sunday, good weather and a good turnout, we had 14 families. So I've had to date about 12 downloads of disclosures on that listing. What that is I load up the termite report, the property inspection report, preliminary title report, seller's disclosures, and all the data about the home, and it goes into a disclosure link. And when realtors download that link and provide that information to their buyers, they're probably very serious. They've either seen the home or the agent is showing it and wants that information. So we have 12 very interested potential agents on that property, so that's good. Offers are due this Wednesday, so I'll be able to share next week what we got for a price point on that. I'm expecting probably about 2 or 3 offers, I would guess, from the amount of activity, which is good. And sellers very anxious to get that sold, and they've already moved out of the home and in their new home in Idaho. So hope they do well. And then on the buying end, since we had so much activity there in the open house, the Milpitas Post had a great article that they put in their real estate section. It quotes the CAR, which is the California Association Realtors chief economist, said the best time to buy is as soon as you can. And that is so true. You know, we've had since 2020 about a 25% increase in home values, which is great for a seller, not so good for a potential buyer. And with interest rates going up, has probably taken the wind out of a lot of buyers' ability to be able to purchase. So maybe they've had to lower some expectations. It's not unbeknownst to a buyer to go in to buy a condo as a starter home, which is great. And then 3 to 5 years from now, they can step that up into a single-family home and with a private yard and a garage and that kind of thing. And then a lot of them, those buyers are keeping their condos and renting them out, so they have double the equity growth going on. So that's a nice thing to do. So again, most buyers are advised to buy when you can, and certainly the best approach is to get pre-approved and underwritten with a loan when you go out shopping, so you can make an offer that's non-contingent, meaning non-contingent on appraisal, non-contingent on loan approval, and non-contingent on the property inspections, because they've all been reviewed with that disclosure link. Let's look at also what the April statistics have last month for the 95035 zip code, the Milpitas zip code. It's showing that the average home price got about 110% more than their list price. So what they achieved in a selling price was 10% higher than what they were asking. So that's a great market for a seller. And of course, days on the market, that's from the point it's listed until the time it is pending or sold. The median days on market in Milpitas is 8 days. Now, I do not use that as a barometer per se. I like to at least go one weekend open house, if not sometimes a second weekend open house, to attract as many potential buyers on that home as possible. So usually my median days on market is somewhere around 12 to 14. That's what I'm averaging for my home sales. But certainly you could sell a home in 8 days. And probably get multiple offers on that too. And then the numbers of sold versus being on the market right now, there actually are 22 homes for sale currently in the city of Milpitas today, and there's 11 pending sales. So we've got a good ratio of sales to inventory, and that also translates into a very, very strong seller's market. So let's talk about what I've got coming up. got a couple properties in Milpitas that'll be up for open houses. 1627 Starlight Drive here in Milpitas. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home in the Starlight Pines area. We've just finished painting inside, outside, brand new carpeting, high plush carpeting. Home has laminate in the kitchen, the dining area, and the family room. It's got a couple other things that are done. It has some upgraded windows, and so it's a great little property and good neighborhood. Section 1 termite work has been done by the seller. That'll be staged this Friday, so we'll have that on the market this weekend, and then the following weekend I've got an open house scheduled on that one. So if you want to stop by, I'd love to see you. It'd be 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock on that one. And then the next one following that is 1679 Everglades Drive in Milpitas. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,600 square foot Parktown home. Parktown is an area near the Senate Elementary School, which is the #1 school in Milpitas, and is certainly a real equity driver for anybody that has a home out there. It's a very hot demand area. The price point on this one is $1,598,888. We hope to do a little bit better. I think once buyers see it and come in, they're going to fall in love with it. It has an amazing kitchen, a very expanded kitchen with an island, just very custom and beautiful kitchen. And then the other features of the home is all remodeled also. So that one will be open actually the first weekend of June. That's June 1st and June 2nd, but we're prepping that now, getting that ready and staged and to go. Then I've got coming up a couple more. One is in the Berryessa area in San Jose, not the 95132, which is right on the border of Milpitas. The address is 1971 Camargo Drive, and that price point is $1,998,888. You might think it's a little high for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot home, but it has an ADU, which is an accessory dwelling unit, in the rear of that home. It's that unit is 312 square feet as a standalone. So you've got about close to 1,900 square feet of living space with this home, and the ADU is perfect for visiting guests. You know, a lot of families come in to visit. You have teenagers or those adults that are in college that need a place to live at home, or it makes a great rental unit. This particular seller had used that for a rental unit. And again, this home is being fully refurbished. The ADU is completely redone, all new bathroom, all new kitchen in there. And then the main house has all been painted in and out, and it's going to be beautiful. So excited about that one. Don't have an open house date yet for that, but when I do, I'll share that with you, and that should be ready to go probably in about another 3 or 4 weeks. And then I've got 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas coming up. Be meeting the seller today. We'll get a timeline on that one. That's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2150 square foot Hillcrest home in the Senate Elementary School. Price point is $2.4 million. It's a 3-car garage. We go in there, we're going to freshen that up before we get that one on the market too. And then one last one I'll talk about coming up. It's in the Manor area at 412 North Abbott Avenue. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, family room, expanded master bedroom, and brand new master bathroom. But what's really cool about this house is it's on a 10,000 square foot lot. So it's a huge backyard, which has endless possibilities for anything that somebody would want to do to that property. And I'll give you the date on that one. So if you want to get your home ready in this amazing, amazing market, give me a call, 408-945-8988 or giordano.dj@aol.com. Look forward to talking to you, and we'll see you next week over at Starlight Drive to look at those after photos. Yes. See you then. Bye.